Biden, President Biden. I don't know why we were singing that, Sergio and I, yesterday.
We were making some good jingles on the drive.
We were making some really great jingles on the drive. So welcome to the first adventure in the fucking Storado, everyone. Today's gonna be a fucking awesome day. I'm spitting all over the camera so you know it's a guaranteed good episode.
Can we just say how good this car is, though?
Oh,
we just drove an hour and a half, and there were so many times where I was on my phone and I forgot that I was in a Lambo. We're just cruising along, so comfortable. Music's great. AC's great.
You forget that this is for real. To me, that was my first experience yesterday. I was driving it home, and I cannot wait to make the fucking video about this car. I was driving it on my way home, and we were chilling because he was driving the Bronco. It was the first time. You can't see anything to the back.
That's the biggest downside.
You literally, there's nothing you can see in the back, but it's very easy to fix. You just get a fucking camera for your mirror right here.
Yeah.
And then you're done, right? But for now, can't see shit. So we were driving slowly, going home, and I was like chilling. Suspension's so comfortable. I'm riding. I have my music. I'm fucking, you know, going off, like singing, dancing.
I can see you in your rear view. I just see you just going.
Fuck yeah, how can you not? How can you not? And all of a sudden, I had to pass someone, and I just stepped on the gas, and the fucking thing just, you hear the engine, it gives you the burn, and you feel the hurricane-ness of it. And you're just like, this is on fucking real. I was driving a lot. You totally forget. You absolutely totally forget. But either way, this is not a review for the Storado. We're here in our first adventure, Sergio. In Orange County. We drove an hour back all the way to here. Actually, almost 2 hours with traffic.
LA traffic.
LA traffic! But don't worry about it. We got the Storado. We can go over the homeless with no problem. So, no one's down with my joke with the homeless, but everyone's tired of them. I don't give a fuck what you say. Right? Either way, we drove all the way here because we wanted to come see Obi. Our friend Obi is the one who actually got us the car from Lamborghini Newport. Even though Obi opened his new dealership, Obi used to work with Evan Paul back in the day. Back in the day. He started there, I believe, in sales. He did back office work. He was there all the time whenever we used to go to Evans. Always killing it, always great. He was on top of shit all the time. And one day he was like, dude, I want to, you know, start my own thing. And we talked about some ideas and whatnot, and I said, if you really want to get to where you want to get, you need to own your own business. And I, you know, normally I have these conversations with people, and people are like, yeah, let me go work for someone else.
It's tough.
Yeah, and I understand. And Obi fucking went out there and did it. So now we're at Obi's place. I'm seeing it for the first time since we're coming back to California. We're rekindling the love with everyone. It's the little bowl tickling left and right, nothing major. And we just came to see Obi. We just came to see his new business. And also, he's got a Maserati Mc20.
I'm one of those.
I'm dying to see because I wanted to buy one when I was looking into like all the cars that I wanted to get right now. The Mc20 was one of them. And I want to see how it is. If I fucked up buying the Storado, or if I didn't.
I don't think you did.
And I don't think so either, especially now. But especially considering that I fucking hate Maserati with a passion. With a passion.
Just like you went back to Ferrari, this could be your homecoming.
This could be, 100%. But you gotta always be open to stop hating and start loving something. And Maserati could be that brand that I now love, and I can't stop fucking gargling their dick. But we'll see. The reality of this is, I made a video a long time ago in Spanish saying, even if you gave me a Maserati for free, I wouldn't take it. Like, that's
those lease specials.
Yeah, even that's how big of a piece of shit they were. And everyone's saying the MC20 is so good. So let's see if it's true. And I also pissed off a lot of people with that video. So let's see if I can get your trust back. No, I'm just kidding. I don't give a fuck. Ha! Let's go inside and see Obi. People remember Obi, and also Obi. I'm sorry, I'm wearing my sunglasses. I don't know why, like a total asshole. Maybe it's because I'm a little high. No, I'm not. How are you?
You're perfect, man. Great. How are you?
It's been a fucking while.
It's been a long time.
This is your spot, motherfucker?
This is it. Yep.
Dude, congratulations.
Thank you, man.
This is pretty fucking awesome.
Thank you.
How does it feel? How long have you had this?
So we're about to hit a year in just a month.
You doing a party?
We're doing a party.
Are you inviting me?
You better be there.
I just come back to LA and I get invited to parties. No one really liked me in Texas. It's the truth. No, I'm just kidding.
No, I'm sure you have a lot of friends out there.
Oh, what the fuck, Sergio?
They don't like our kind. They don't like our kind down there.
They don't like our kind out there. They're like, you motherfucking Mexicans, I'm not getting. No, but either way, dude, so it's so cool to see you do your thing, have your fucking own place.
Yeah.
And yeah, I saw it. And by the way, it looks like it's a little empty. It's because this motherfucker's selling everything.
Yep,
You're looking for new inventory?
Looking for inventory all the time. So if you guys want to sell something, let us know.
Call Obi. He'll give you the money. Trust me. Not all the money you want, but he'll give you. No. By the way, I need to see how this is.
Okay.
The Maserati Mc20. It's supposed to be awesome, but I'm hearing a lot of mixed things now.
Yeah.
At first, when it came out, everybody was really excited. And now everybody's saying, like, I don't know. And I don't know what it is. But I want to see how it is.
Yeah, I just think not many people have experienced it, so
Exactly.
give it a shot and let us know.
Let me ask you something. Let's say I wanted to buy this Maserati MC20.
Okay.
Can you get me one of those 144-month loans?
Oh, even better now. We got 180 months that we can get you in. 15 years.
No.
Yeah, legitimate.
What's that monthly payment?
Wait, no. Hang
Like
on, hang on.
$45?
No, this is not true.
Yeah, we can get you the numbers.
And what's the interest rate? Is like 30%?
No, it's 8.75.
That's actually not bad.
Not bad at
You're
all.
fucking kidding.
No, 20% down. You get a really long.
For
term.
15 years, so the payment is nothing a month. Dude, I can probably pay $10 a month in this. Holy shit.
For like the Turo special, this is where it's at.
Oh, yeah. God damn.
The doors go up.
Yeah, have you seen the doors?
Oh,
They're
no.
pretty dope.
Well, let's open those bad boys. Oh, yeah. Dude, this is
That's
the
what
one thing Maserati's doing right. The one thing. The one thing. Wow.
It looks
No,
great.
it looks incredible. But I have a few thoughts. I'll give them to you guys. I won't bore you. Can I steal your keys?
Oh yeah, of course.
Fuck yeah. So personally,
Yeah.
you bought this car, Obi.
Yes.
Why'd you buy it? Aside from the price, probably you got an awesome deal. I'm not gonna say, because that's why you fucking buy that as a business. Tell me your favorite things about it. Or any, like one thing that you think, oh, this is interesting, or is there anything like that?
Yeah, I mean, I really love the size and style of it.
Yeah.
Just a little go-kart, you know what I mean? So being able to zip around, I love little cars and...
It looks way bigger in pictures.
Oh, does it?
But when you compare it to the 12C, which is a small car, it's kind of like around the same size.
Right, yeah.
Which is nuts. I would have never guessed that. It's fucking, I mean, the car looks amazing. Now, and you haven't driven it?
No, not yet, so that's why I want you to drive it.
What?
Yeah.
What a waste.
I know.
I'll gladly do that. Jesus.
Yeah, so we're hiring you for the day.
He's paying my fee. He got the $400 that I used to charge for YouTube. Now that I don't make YouTube money, Obi is financing the $400 for 188 months though.
Yeah.
So this is how you finger it to open it. Ah, ooh. So look, I thought that the first thing I'll say is, I thought the door was gonna be lighter because it's all forged carbon fiber. It's light, don't get me wrong, but it's not the craziest, lightest door you've ever seen. And I love the cut on it. It looks so fucking sexy. And the seats. This is my favorite part of the car. Anything with, by the way, you guys wanna sell me on anything, sell me a blue interior. I'll buy anything with a blue interior. I'm a fucking idiot. That's it. Wow. Let's go for a fucking drive. Let's see how it is. Okay, so I want to say first of all, before I drive this, my biggest concern is this is a Maserati MC20, brand new rework of Maserati, mid-engine car. They haven't done that in a regular production car in I don't know how many decades, I'll be honest with you. It's been a very long time. But they did make the MC12, which is one of my favorite cars of all time that I almost crashed Greg's, and shout out to Greg. And I apologize for that, but that is one of my favorite cars in the history of the world. And this is something I want to say. A lot of people think, like, wow, if Maserati was able to build that, they should be able to do a great car right now. But the reality is, that was a Ferrari Enzo inside of that body. So I just want to stop here for a second and talk to you guys about this. They didn't build anything. They just designed it. They designed the outside, they made it longer, more spectacular, and they only made 50 of them. So I cannot count that car as a Maserati creation by itself. I've had a beef with Maserati because their cars have lacked emotion. They were very synthetic. And this instantly, I want it to be good. The cuts on the door are incredible. The seats are amazing, like unbelievably amazing. They're comfortable, they're simple, which I like. I love that they have a new screen, but I gotta say, walking into the car, it feels cheap. Like even though you see carbon fiber, I feel like this is an, what are these called? Alfa Romeos. And it doesn't matter what anyone says, Alfa Romeos feel cheap as fuck. They feel like American cars drenched in Italian, if you will. That's how they feel. This has a little bit of that, but it also feels good. So I'm curious to see how it is. I love that it's got a touchscreen. I love that they really went with modern day technology, because remember the last time I drove that Maserati, they had like the 1999 radio that you basically had the dial, had the dial, and it was just so outdated. It was insane. But now it feels like they might actually do this right, okay? So we're gonna take this for a ride. Let's see how it is. Let's hope that this mid-engine Maserati, 620 horsepower, and by the way, it's a V6 engine, twin turbo. So they went from V8s to this V6, twin turbo. Let's see how that V6 is. And the ride so far, just coming out of there, is pretty comfy. Let's see how it stacks. All right, so I already drove this thing. I have it in sport. Whenever you drive one of these sports cars, you gotta put it in sport. And this is the verdict. You ready? It's fucking incredible. It's very different from what everyone would expect. It's very different from what you would expect from Maserati. I was expecting the engine to feel big. I was expecting the weight to be more substantial in the car, but it does legitimately feel like a go-kart, and that is something I can really get behind. I love it's dramatic, but it's not very dramatic. It feels great with the steering. The suspension feels comfortable, even though it feels very sporty and like a go-kart. It feels very GT. Like it feels like it can literally go to it can take you on the longest road trip ever, and you'll actually really enjoy it. You guys hear that? Oh no, I can't believe this is a Maserati. And this is so different from what I was expecting. But this is really good. Like, how's the brakes? Brakes lag. They need better brakes. This is a very stupid car in a great way. This is really fucking cool. I wasn't expecting to walk out today and fall in love with a Maserati. And I gotta say, at the right price, and these cars are going in the right price, in the right direction, this is a deal. You get like the looks of the supercar. I mean, the car starts at 215 sticker. It goes all the way to 300 and something if you want to go fucking crazy, right? Like that's how it works now. You want to put tires on the car, sir? Yes. Oh, it's going to be $80,000 more. Oh, you want to paint it? It's going to be $1 billion more. And I think it's worth it. I think it's absolutely worth it that you can get carbon fiber in a car like this. Now, I would not spec mine all the way up. I feel like as a basic, if you can say that, car, this is bananas. And the turn ratio is not bad. It's very easy to drive, and honestly, the size is perfect. You can pretty much see anywhere, and I love that they have the camera in the rearview mirror. Yeah, you certainly need it. Wow. The only thing is the brakes. Okay. Holy fuck. Maserati. I'm not gonna lie. I'm already doing the math on like how much it would cost me to finance it for 180 fucking years. Well, 180 months. I really am. This is never gonna fly. I need to fucking buy a house and all of that stuff, but I really liked it. I again, not full price. I would get a discount. I'm sorry, Obi. I hope you're selling this at a right price. But I wouldn't buy this full retail. But man, they're dumping them. If you can get a dumpy price in one of these, absolutely take it all day. This car at $150,000 is the best thing you could possibly buy at 150 grand. Especially with inflation. I don't think there's anything else you can buy that fucking even comes close to this right now. Like, I can't even think about it.
I was talking to somebody yesterday, and they said that it was the worst car they'd ever driven.
Do you trust that person?
I do. They know what they're talking about.
Okay.
What'd you think?
Epic.
Epic. No way.
Epic. But here's the trick.
Really?
Here's the trick. Not for the price that it's at.
Yeah.
200 over 200. No. You get this at 150. Like, it's kind of like, you know what? Like, what territory is perfect for? The NSX.
Or NSX.
The NSX.
Okay.
Like, you get this. Fuck the NSX, dude.
Great. When you were driving out, I was like, damn, it's a beautiful
People
car.
were chasing me down the road right now.
It looks so special.
It looks so good.
The front end looks great.
It's not perfect.
Yeah.
It's light. It feels like the engine feels very light, like small. But dude, it's exciting. It makes the right turbo noises. It pushes
good.
you.
Yeah.
The gearbox is not bad. It's actually really good. Again.
Yeah.
Holy shit! No, I missed my flight.
Look, the side profile is great.
Yeah.
Great.
And I love the doors. I do think the doors open way too far away from the car, which might be a problem if you park it somewhere.
Yeah.
I think it's got, listen, I think Maserati's on the right track with this. I really like it. They need to start working on certain other stuff.
Yeah.
But the base and the price, dude, I'm telling you, you buy this at 150.
They did like their limited edition version of this. It's like the M20
Come this way.
Extrema or something like that.
No.
Yeah, it's like a limited edition. It's like a homologated like track car of this version.
That would be good.
Yeah.
That's got to be incredible.
Yeah.
I really liked it. Like, there's nothing you can buy for 150 that would be.
Really?
You can buy a Porsche, a turbo, or not a turbo, but like a regular Porsche.
GTS.
And you'll enjoy it. It's a great car.
Yeah.
This feels exotic.
Yeah.
And it really works with it.
And people love Maseratis. If you're not a car guy, you love Maserati.
They do.
You see Maserati and you're like, damn.
I'm telling you, there was people fucking chasing me. I can't fucking believe
Question.
this.
You're buying your Sterrato.
No. The Sterrato's much better.
Yeah.
And even if I paid basically 3 of these cars for the Sterrato, no.
Yeah.
No. I love the Sterrato is very different from everything.
Yeah.
We don't have cup holders in the Sterrato. It doesn't have like the regular
That's the one
amenities.
thing it's like, I'm there holding both of our coffees. This one, I'm like, damn.
But fuck, dude, that's
But if that's your problem, who cares?
a good problem
Yeah.
to have.